up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Nerf War the Series 2. Make it look, yeah. Even since we haven't actually made a Nerf War series before, it's still going to be called 2 because it sounds cooler. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
This video is
sponsored by Root Beer.
Root Beer.
Yep. Even though it's really not. We just need a sponsor. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. You will get notified every time that I post a new video. Where's Mac Daddy?
What?
Aha! You know what? I'm going to give you a better view of the gun. Oh my gosh, okay.
You know what? We lost. I know.
Oh, what the crap. No! Hi, Cyril. Alright, time to reload. So we're watching. Subscribe. I don't know what to say. Love.
It's like.
So like our videos. And yeah, that was from a classic video. Shout out to Camden and Connor, our next door neighbors. Drink birch beer.